Hello everyone, my name is Lama and welcome to my channel Young's Learning Club. In this video, I will tell you about Canva. What is Canva? Canva is an online graphic designing platform. It can be used both by individuals and businesses. Canva provides tools to create social media platforms. You can open the Canva website on Google Chrome or install it. This opening page of Canva asks you what will you design today. It gives you plenty of options to choose from. Canva is free, but for premium features, you can use Canva Pro or Canva Themes. You can also create with Canva's AI features. The best thing about Canva are the templates. Now templates perfectly use anything. You can also make business plans and share them with the team. They have got an app marketplace. They have also got a desktop app. Let's open templates. Now these are all the templates. You can choose any template you want. You can sign up with Google or anywhere. In the taskbar option, they've got Design Spotlight. You can create docs, presentations. They've got a photo editor and video editor. You can make cards, invitations, mugs, t-shirts, hoodies, and calendars. In marketing, you can create social media, logos, posters, flyers, etc. They've also got business tools like Canva Team, Business Solutions, and State, small and medium businesses, startups, and charities. Canva can be used by schools and teachers, students, for getting resources, and case studies. Plans and pricing for Canva Pro. You can browse by category and choose whatever you want to create, like whiteboard, docs, logos, videos, Zoom virtual backgrounds, infographics, business cards, t-shirts, Instagram stories, Instagram posts, resumes, brochures, billboards, and many more. These are the new templates in Canva. All the templates are fully customizable. You can customize them according to your needs. You can create professional logos, videos, they also got Zoom virtual backgrounds, graphics, which is as inspiration. You can create your own business cards. They've also got t-shirt prints. You can make colorful Instagram stories or Instagram posts. Let's search for example. I'm searching for hoodies design. You can see high quality hoodies design template. Let's search for another template. I'm searching for football club. You can see they're showing many templates for football club with all our logos. You can choose and customize them. That was all for today on what is Canva. You can also install Canva on Google Play App Store. Thank you for watching our video. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. In my next video, I will tell you about how to create designs in Canva. Thank you.